Hi YouTubers out there. Well, guess what I'm making now? See me? I'm making some cup noodles. Right now eating is hot in the microwave. Right now I have a headache like hell. It's like oh god, my head. Anyways, that's when you have long hair. And honestly, I need to go and get a haircut today. How am I gonna do that? Oh my god, I need to call my father. Ish. Ish. Maybe I could hear my father, right? When I call him. I need to go and get a haircut. My head is like pounding. You see the switch? The switch. Okay. I don't understand it. I really just don't understand this. I calling my father, but now he not answering me. And you can see the state of my hair. Obviously not looking good. That's how I used to look when I was younger. But that is when I was young. When I look uglier. But so anyways, when you get more mature, I look much better. God, that's all right. Um, let's see if I call his out if I get. I'm so hungry. Somebody send food for me. Oh, what did you? I need to go and get a haircut. Oh my god. I should have went with mommy. Oh my god. Oh my god. What was that? I think water coming out of it. I am moving aside. That thing gonna blow up. Are you? Put it on your right here. Anything happened to me? I don't know what happened. Oh god, I need a fork. Give me that, maybe. I never else not burnt. Do me a retard. An anti-retard. Yeesh. I'm so sorry, yeah. iPhone, but you know where you're going, right? Somewhere that I really can't afford to leave. But, okay, iPhone. Sorry. But I'm gonna die. Nothing flutter all around the microwave. I don't have. Oh my god, what the fuck? Wait. That's looking normal. Let's see. Is it looking bad? Oh my god, did you see that there's fog right there? The fog said, oh my god. Eeh. Hi. Oh yes, it's fogging. It's fogging. And that's from the water that I make. So don't trust me in the kitchen. Okay. Now let's see if it's hot enough. Let's see if I put bathroom. Let's see if this iPhone can stand the temperature of this heated thing. So y'all will be right there. So let's see when it's gonna cut off. I need the light. I'll come back. Okay, so the light right now is flashing straight into the water. And all I could see, so let's raise it up. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Watch me iPhone! It's water on. I'm bad like that. It's called whatever. I'm good at geography, not so good. Oh my god. It like literally went inside of the lens. Oh no, hi. I'm just wiping you off. Hi YouTube, I'm just wiping you off, that's all. Oh my god, I have condensation inside of the keys. That is some steam. You see, that's the magic of water. So let's see. That evaporation, yo. I'm so horrible. I have no idea why I did that. Making sure my camera's working perfect. Okay. So let's make cup noodles. So this is a kind of like a tutorial of how to be extraordinary, like digital, and make cup noodles. So let's make some cup noodles. I'm trying to keep this that is just perfect. How bravo I am, huh? I don't know if all you see in the street or what. I'm showing all you. Be grateful. But it's so upside down. If light. Oh god, phone ringing. Let me go and answer that. Hello? Yeah, I need to go and get a haircut in the mall. Okay. No. She's gone. She's gone. I already know. Yeah, it will take long and it's going to take a haircut if you just come up. No, I said, wait for me. No, you have to take, you have to give me the money to buy haircut. Hello, it's haircut, okay? Haircut not that expensive. No, $55. No, my head, that's what I'm saying, my head is making. My head hurts so much, I can't afford to have long hair. That don't work with me. No. No. Nothing. No. Yeah. Where? I can't go nowhere. I need to go get a haircut. Somewhere. Maybe. Oh my god. I had to go my mama later because it's our Sarah's birthday. It's not a big thing, it's just a little thing. Tomorrow I. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Sorry, but oh my god, my thing mostly gotten cold. My ow. Okay, okay, okay. I think I need to put some more hot water. Um, Oh, I forgot you on there. Okay. See? Oh. This is just what I eat. Oh my god, what is that? That look at this corn. This corn looking like a bit sick. Like a bit sick. Oh. No, but this so I could see it one time because I only watch in here. If I get a phone call, I might miss it. You know me already. Watch that corn. So out of time, man. Okay, I think this is enough, so let's go. I need to put some more water in it. Hey, I need to go and tell some people about music. Oh yeah, you need to be on people to. Oh my god, I think overflow it. Oh my god, that's going to leave a mark. Whatever. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm always bouncing today. Anyways, I'm gonna cover it down. And I could see that I leave my mess in the microwave. I really don't care. As you can see, it has water there. Right. So, I don't know. Haircut, I don't know. iPhone hot, I don't know. Oh my god, I seen the steam on the phone. I get so nervous it might shut off anytime soon. And I'm going to carry it to fix. See, watch right there. Right, all there was from that substance. Oh my god, it's 13 minutes. I recording. Edit. Lighting here is so horrible. Anyways, hey, let's see my reaction. I'm going to talk to somebody on BBM now. Oh, wait. Next video.